Hello guys, welcome back to Demox Design Creatives, and today I want to take you through something that is very cool, something that's gonna help you for the rest of your life. I want to help you recover your lost or your deleted documents from your computer. Sometimes we permanently delete files that are very important, files that maybe you never thought that you would delete them. Someone by mistake just comes and deletes them, and you're like, how do you recover them? At times we take to data recovery centers to help us delete or recover these documents or files that are very crucial. And of course they charge you some fee for recovering your documents. So I want to take you through the process. I want to show you actually the steps that you should take so that you don't take your document or your computer or your USB drive to a third party who will still use this same process to recover for you your lost documents. So how do I recover my permanently deleted documents from my computer? I want to show you. I have a flash disk, and I want us to open the flash disk so that we can see what I'm talking about. I have a few thumbnails or a few images in my flash disks, and I want to delete this so that we can see how we can recover them. I want to delete them permanently, and I want us to recover them back in the same original state. So let me delete all this. So I will right click and then delete. So I will be asked if I want to permanently delete these files. So this is where most people mistake or make a blunder. They just agree, they click on yes, but they realize later that wow, these documents were very important. I deleted something that I shouldn't have deleted. So let me show you how to do it. So let's delete this, let's clean this. So our USB drive is clean. So let's see the process. Let me take you through the process. Now, first thing that you do is opening your browser. So go to your browser, click on your browser, enlarge your browser, click on your browser, and then on your browser type recover. When you type recover, click on enter, and then the first link that will appear, actually it's their website. Download recover deleted files free. So let's go there and see how free is free. Here on their landing page, you will see they're telling you to recover your deleted files quickly and easily. Go for the free version. Don't attempt to go for the pro version. Pro version means of course you will have to pay something if you want the pro version, but let's go for the free version. When you click on the free version, it will take you to their the next page. Here you're given two options. Either you choose the free option or you choose the pro option. So it's you to choose, but if you choose the pro option or the professional option, you will have to pay for the professional option. Why? Because they have virtual hard drive support, which is not in free option, automatic updates and premium support, which are not in the free version. But in our case, we just want to recover our files, nothing else. So click on download. When you click on download, it will straight away take you to the download. So you will need to actually install this one. So save it, and you can see the steps that you will have to follow The first step is run the Recuva installer and then confirm the installation, and then follow the setup instructions. Those are the 3 steps that you're going to follow to get down to the application. So click on the application. It will try to open. Let's see what happens. So now here you're going to install the application. Let's install the application. Click on install. It will take just a few seconds, and then it will be installed. Then run a Recuva. Click on run Recuva. When you run Recuva, this is the wizard that will appear. They will ask you a few questions to answer, and then Recuva does the rest. So now you have installed your application or your Recuva. So what you click is next. Click on next. Here now it will bring you an area where you have to sort your files. You break down your files, whether it's all the files, or pictures, or music, or documents, or video, or compressed documents, and all that. So you have to choose. So ours was just pictures. We don't want to go for all files. It may take longer to scan for all files, so let's go for pictures. Those are the that's what we deleted. Now, where are your pictures, or where is the location of the permanently deleted file? So you're not sure, you can click on that. When you click on you're not sure, that the software will run through the whole computer, and it may take longer. If you go for on my media card or iPod, search any removable drives, this is what I will go for. I had a USB drive, an external drive, and that's where my documents or my files were deleted. So I'll just go for this. I won't go for, if you deleted from your documents, you will definitely go to your documents. If you deleted from your recycle bin, then you will go to your recycle bin, and so on. So here we just go on my media card. So let me click on next. Then when you click on next, they're telling you it's over. They're actually thanking you because the rest will be done by Recuva if you click on start. So after the search is complete, you will see a list of the files that Recuva will have found. So simply your work will be to check on the ones that you want to recover, and then you click on recover. So let's start. Let's see. Wow, did it take time? Did it take time? No time lost. We went straight away to the documents that I lost, straight away to the documents that I mistakenly deleted permanently. Here are my documents. So actually I will need to check all of them, because these are the documents that I wanted to recover. So I will need to double click on each of them. so that I recover all of them. And I'm told the documents are in stable. The documents are stable and in excellent state. That means the documents or the files have not been interfered with. Double click on that, and then recover. Click on recover. Where do you want to save your documents? That's the next thing that you will be asked. So I will keep these documents on my desktop, so that you need to keep them or save them in a different state. You can see all of the documents here. What are they telling you? They have totally recovered the 5 files. All are fully recovered. So the total number is 5. Fully recovered is 5, partly recovered is 0. Operation completed in how many seconds? 0.09 seconds. That's how Recuva works. Very fast. 0.09. And of course they will ask you to upgrade to the pro version, but you don't need the pro version. You only want to recover the documents that you mistakenly lost, or the documents that you lost by mistake, and then click on OK. So that's it, and then close this. Your documents are safe. The documents are in the original state. The documents are in the original state. Nothing is lost. You can see your documents very clean. The quality is very, very clean. Look at that. So thank you for the view. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button, and you will see so many videos that I will be doing, videos that will help you sort all your ICT issues, sort all the problems that you have. And if maybe you want me to maybe show you something that you wanted me to talk about, you can comment down below. If you want me to advance on something or elaborate on something that I didn't touch very well in the process, you can comment down below, and I will act immediately. So thank you so much for that view. I treasure it, and I believe that in the next tutorial we will still work together. Thank you so much, and may you have a nice time. See ya.